Dear students, now let us study about pressure. Students, we see a number of things around us. For example, stone, iron, book, plate, water, rubber, milk, sand, plastic, and so forth. We cannot see air, but we feel its presence when we use a fan. Everything has its own characteristics that enable us to distinguish it from one another. Students, make your pencil pointed. Hold it and press the pointed end gently on the palm of the other hand. Now, repeat the same with the blunt end. Obviously, you feel more pain when you press your palm with the pointed end than that by the blunt end. In the language of science, we say that pressure is more on the palm due to the pointed end than that due to the blunt end. Fluids also exert pressure. Liquid and gases are called fluids. Students, unlike solid objects, fluids can flow. Take a beaker containing 2/3 water. Take a piece of cork and push below the surface of the water in the beaker. Release the cork. Students, the cork rises to the surface again. The liquid thus exerts an upward force on the cork, and this is due to the pressure exerted on the cork by the surrounding liquid. This proves that liquid exerts pressure. In another experiment, take a tin can. Put a little water in it, then heat it. Students, once the water starts to boil, almost all air inside the can comes out. As a result, there will be no air in the can. Close the lid of the can and put the can under the tap of cold water. Now observe what happens. The can collapses, isn't it? Students, this is because the surrounding air now exerts a pressure on the outside of the can, which is no longer counterbalanced by the pressure inside. This proves that gas also exerts pressure. Students, we have already performed 2 experiments on pressure. What is pressure then? Pressure is the force applied per unit area. Let us suppose the force applied is equal to F. The area on which force was applied is equal to A. Then pressure, that is P, is given by F divided by A, or equals to force divided by area. Students, force is measured in Newton and area in square meter. Hence, the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. This is also called Pascal. which is denoted by PA. Now let us look at this example. It says, the weight of a girl is 400 Newton and the surface area of the heel of her shoe is 200 centimeters square. Now find the pressure exerted on the ground if she stands on her 1 foot only. Here is the solution. Students, here the weight of the girl, that is, the force exerted by the girl, is denoted by F, which is equal to 400 Newton. The surface area of the heel of her shoe, denoted by A, is equal to 200 centimeters square. Students, first let us convert the area into meter square. For this, we divide 200 centimeters square by 100 into 100. That is, 200 centimeters square equals 200 divided by 100 into 100 meter square. That gives us 0.02 meter square. Students, we know that pressure is equal to force divided by area, or P is equal to F divided by A. So let us now substitute the values of force and area in the given formula to calculate the pressure. So we write pressure equals to 400 divided by 0.02 Pascal. This is equal to 400 into 100 divided by 2 Pascal. That gives us 20,000 Pascal as the answer. That is, the pressure exerted on the ground by the girl if she stands on her 1 foot is 20,000 Pascal.